Hello, dear children. Warm greetings from MDES. We are happy to welcome you back to this next session of the e-learning program. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Let us quickly recall of what we learned in the previous session. We learned equal group, finding the total by using repeated addition, and multiplication table of 6. In today's session, we shall learn Introduction to Money, Counting money, word problems, and multiplication table of 7. We begin with the first topic, Introduction to Money. Children, have you visited a supermarket with your parents? How can we buy things from the supermarket? Yes, you are right. We pay money for the things we buy. Money plays an important role in our life. We need money to buy things from the shop. Every country has its own money system. In India, we use rupees and paise. We use these symbols to represent rupees and paise. Money comes in two forms, coins and notes. Paise are available only in coins. Here are some of the commonly used coins. 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, and 10 rupees coin. Here are some of the commonly used notes. 5 rupees note. Children, observe that the rupee symbol is written before the number 5 and we read it as rupees 5. 10 rupees note and is written as rupees 10. 20 rupees note and it is written as rupees 20. 50 rupees note and it is written as rupees 50. 100 rupees note and it is written as rupees 100. We now move on to the next topic, counting money. To count money, we add the values of the notes and the coins. In the first example, we have a 2 rupees coin and a 1 rupee coin. When we add 2 rupees and 1 rupee, we get 3 rupees as total. In the next example, we have 3 5 rupees coins. If we add them, we get rupees 15 as the total. In the next example, we shall find the total by adding a 10 rupees coin, a 2 rupees coin and a 5 rupees coin. We get the total as rupees 17. Now we shall find the total of rupees 20 and rupees 5. By adding rupees 20 and rupees 5, we get rupees 25 as the total. We now move on to the next topic, word problems. I bought a car for rupees 45 and a bus for rupees 23 from a toy shop. How much money did I spend? Children, here we have to add rupees 45 and rupees 23 to find how much money was spent. We first add the digits in the ones place. We add as 5 in the mind and 3 fingers up. After 5 comes 6, 7 and 8. We write 8 in the ones place. Now we add the digits in the tens place. We add as 4 in the mind and 2 fingers up. After 4 comes 5 and 6. We write 6 in the tens place. We can say that I spent rupees 68 for buying the toys. In the next example, Ankit bought a book for rupees 52 and a ruler for rupees 24 from a stationery shop. How much money did he spend? Children, in order to find how much money was spent by Ankit, we have to add the two given numbers. Therefore, we add rupees 52 and rupees 24. We first add the digits in the ones place. We add as 2 in the mind and 4 fingers up. After 2 comes 3, 4, 5 and 6. We write 6 in the ones place. Now we add the digits in the tens place. We add as 5 in the mind and 2 fingers up. After 5 comes 6, 7. We write 7 in the tens place. Now we can say that Ankit spent rupees 76 to buy a book and a ruler. The next example, Mithun has rupees 89 with him. He buys a chocolate bar for rupees 36. How much money is left with him? We need to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. That is, we subtract 36 from 89. First, we subtract the digits in the ones place. We subtract as 9 in the mind and 6 fingers up. Before 9 comes 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. We write 3 in the ones place. Now we subtract the digits in the tens place. We subtract as 8 in the mind and 3 fingers up. Before 8 comes 7, 6 and 5. We write 5 in the tens place. Now we can say that Mithun is left with rupees 53. Children, now we shall learn the multiplication table of 7.
7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70, 7 tens are 70. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70.
With this, we have come to the end of today's session. Dear children, hope you are able to solve the home assignments. Check your answers from the PDF file which is sent along with this video. Children, keep learning the multiplication tables. Dear parents, kindly help your child to complete today's home assignment in their mathematics textbook and mathematics notebook. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.